You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this sound, this letter that is used in the IPA, the Phonetics, International Phonetics alphabet. If you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned. So, in short, this is the sound, and it's the as in the, alright? So it's the, or there. How to pronounce the, or without a vowel, it's just th, or the, though, the, exactly, the th sound in English, the, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.